Hello, it's standard. Let's begin with question 8 of 20th chapter, circles. First 7 questions we have done. So 8 question. Find length of tangent. What is tangent? Tangent means the line drawn from a point that touches the circle at only one point. Tangent means line drawn to circle from any point outside the circle that touches the circle at only one point. A tangent is drawn to a circle of radius 4 cm. Firstly, you have to take a circle of 4 cm. I have drawn it. This is the circle with radius 4 cm. I gave the name center O and suppose this is A. So O is the radius 4 cm. You have to draw the tangent. Tangent, I told you, you have to draw a tangent from a point. Tangent is drawn from the point outside the circle, and this point you have to taken at distance of 5 cm from the center. Now I will take a point to draw tangent. Tangent is drawn from outside the circle. I will take a point at distance 5 cm from the center. So here I will take my point to draw the tangent. From the center it should be at 5 cm. Suppose I gave name this to B. Now you have to draw the tangent from this point. This is the point that is at 5 cm from the center. Why this point is taken? Because we have to draw the tangent from this point. Now let's draw the tangent. Tangent you have to draw to radius. Now see, my tangent means your line should touch the circle at only one point. So the point of contact is this A, जहाँ पे circle को touch कर रहा है आपका tangent. I repeat, you have to take circle with radius 4 cm. Then you have to take a point outside the circle. Why outside the circle? Because radius is 4 and we have to take point at distance of 5 cm. Obviously it will be lie outside the circle. So 5 cm पे we have taken a point B, and from this B we have drawn a tangent. Now you have to find length of this tangent. You have to find length of this tangent. Who is the tangent? Name of tangent is AB. You have to find length of AB. So let's begin. What is given? OA is 4 cm. It was the radius. You can give name according to your choice. OB is 5 cm. Now tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other. You have to keep it in mind. Tangent, this is the tangent, and radius are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means they make angle of 90 degree. Or you can say angle between tangent and radius at their point of contact will be 90 degree. Angle between radius and tangent will be 90 degree. Angle will be 90 degree. Where is the point of contact? जहाँ पे radius and tangent मिल रहे हैं वो point of contact है, and angle between them is 90 degree. So let's take triangle OAB. This is the triangle OAB. Now see, here I told you angle A is 90 degree. So it means triangle OAB is which kind of triangle? It is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, what we can apply? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. It is by it is by Pythagoras theorem. Now, what is h? H means hypotenuse longest side. Longest side, what you can see? I think it is OB. And perpendicular is 90 degree. You can give any name to it. You can side AB square plus OA square. Value of OB, length of OB 5. AB you have to find. OA is 4. 5 5 is 25. 4 4 16. We have to find value of AB square. So 16 will come this side. When side will changes, then sign will be changed. Plus, so here it will become minus. It is 9. How you can write 9 in power of 2? You can 9 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Square and square cut, so 3 is equals to AB. You can write 3 centimeter is the value of tangent. This you can do like two ways. 9 is equals to AB square. The second way is like this. You can do like this also and also like this. You have to find the value of AB. Now when square is coming to this side, it becomes square root. So square root of 9 is 3 into 3. 1 3 will be taken out from the same. Hope you understood it.